Good morning, students. Today we are going to move in our lesson number second further because we were discussing about the windows, setting of windows. In it, we already cover the topic how we can resize our icons shape or background of the screen or any uh, more options which are related with the icons, right? In today's session of fourth standard, we are going to cover our main topic, that is customizing the Windows setup. In it, we have to learn how we can change the date and time of your computer, right? Okay, see students, selecting date and time. How we can select the date and time according to our requirement. Sometimes our computers shows the wrong date and time. It is because of the weakness of the cell which is inserted inside the motherboard of your computer. Just like your wristwatch, it has also a cell, small battery you can say, in a round shape, that is responsible for the running of your wristwatch. Same way your computer will also has a cell which is called CMOS, right? It is CMOS, very large cell, you can say. It is also inserted inside the motherboard in your CPU, right? So, what is the use of it? It's used to store the date and time. Even even if your computer is off, even then it will always show your right time and date. Look, students, if you switch off your mobile, then when you switch on it, it will always show the right time and date. How? Because it has also a small cell inside, and it always use this power to store the accurate date and time. In the same way, in computers we have also same CMOS. I am going to show you the uh, picture of the CMOS which is inserted inside the computer. Look, students, this is CMOS, its full form and its picture. Full form is complementary metal oxide semiconductor. It is very tough for you and it is also in not your syllabus, but you have to know about it, right? Complementary metal oxide semiconductor. It is very large. You can take the screenshot of also, if it also, otherwise you can write in Google CMOS full form. I am going to show you the picture of CMOS. Look, students, this is the CMOS. Look here. This is the CMOS battery, which you can see inside this one. It is just like your wristwatch cell, but wristwatch cell is very small. It is very big, uh, approx 20 times bigger than wristwatch cell, right? It is inserted inside the motherboard, as you can see in the picture, right, beta? So it always store your date and time. Now come back to the point. How we can change it? For changing it, go to the notification area, as you can see in the picture, right? Click on it. It will open a pop-up in which you can see the latest month calendar and the latest time. Just like it, 9:46, 30-second, 31-second, and it is AM. And the date is May 26th. 26th is highlighted by a box and with change color. Change color is blue, right? Now, upper side, you can see Wednesday, May 26, 2021. But if you want to change it, suppose I want to change, then what I will do, I will click on this link, that is change date and time setting. When you click on it, you will have another dialog box. Okay. Now again choose change. No need to go in change time zone because time zone is okay. Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, and New Delhi. Time zone is okay. Now change date and time. Click on it. When you will click on it, it will ask you a message. You have to click on yes button. After yes, it will show date and time setting. Look student, here we can change the month as well. Suppose I am moving to June month and I want to make it June 26, right? And time I want to change it with the 10. Suppose I am writing here 10, or on the place of 45, I want to do it 50. And you can use these two buttons also. It is for increment, it is for decrement, like this. Suppose I do it 10:55 and OK, and then OK. Now you can see the time. Now it's June 26, 2021, and the time is 10:56. क्योंकि 55 मैंने कर दिया था. Now it is 10:56 a.m. means morning. Right, beta? Then these are the commands in which you can change the setting of your date and time. Right, beta? I hope you understand the concept. The same commands you can see in the book. Look here. Everything is same. Now I am going to change the date again so that it can be a revision, and time will automatically accurate again. Click on time area. Now change date and time. Yes. Again go on May 26th, and the time right now is 9:48. 9:49 I'm doing. Right? Okay. Okay. Sometime it will ask you for apply. Look student. Sometime it will ask you for apply. Whenever you make any change, it will ask you apply. Then if this button is highlighted, then click on apply first. Then OK button. If it is not highlighted, then you can click on directly OK button. Right? Good. Now setting volume of speaker. Setting volume of speaker. It is also in notification area. You can see it here. By it, you can, with the help of mouse, you can reduce the sound or volume, or you can enlarge it. When you click on mixture button, then you will have some more volume options, like speaker of headphone if you are using, then system sound if the speaker and mic of your laptop is you are using, not an additional speaker and mic, then Zoom meeting or any other application which you are opening, then their volume button you will get separately, right? So I am going to close it, or if you want to reduce, you can reduce. If you want to enlarge the sound or increase the sound, you can increase. Right? Now I am going to close it. That was the command. That is the command in which we can reduce and increase the volume of our computer. Right? Next is use of shortcut menu. How we can use the shortcut menus and how will shortcut menu will come right on the screen. It is very easy. Go anywhere in the desktop in blank area, right click on it, and shortcut menu or context menu. It has two names, shortcut menu or context menu, will appear automatically on the screen, right? So minimize it. We have enough area of with blank space in desktop. Right click on it or right click on it. you will have shortcut menu. Wherever you right click, you will have shortcut menu or context menu. Choose personalize from there. Personalize. Okay. You will get this screen as I told you. Or if you right click on any icon, I told you this also, then the shortcut menu or context menu will have different commands. Just like it. देखो यहाँ पे these are the commands: screen resolve, resolution, gadgets, and personalize. But I click on this folder, then the shortcut menu will have so many commands, right now. And if I click on any icon or any picture, the commands again change. If I click on any shortcut menu, just like it, the options will change, right? Means the shortcut menu will depend on the icon on which we are going to right click, right? Okay beta, then come back to the lesson again. Right click in blank area and go on personalize option. Let's move further. Be seen at bottom and personalize option. You can change the background, setting the desktop screensaver, appearance of icons menu, message box, front color, and can go various visual effects to them. Right click on an icon, इसमें properties जो होंगी वो हमें change, right? तो ये हमारा एक revision हो गया बेटा आज. As I told you that I am going to revise your lesson today, and it was the revision, and some command I want to show you again. Just like right click on blank area, go on personalize, then you will have this option. With this option, you can change the setting of everything, just like screensaver. Here, click on screensaver, and suppose you want to change the screensaver. First of all, what is screensaver? I am going to you that if your computer is not touched by anyone up to a specific time, just like 1 minute, 2 minutes, minimum 1 minute we require. In this case, we can, we can set a screen for our computer. That is called screensaver. Just like 3D text, you can click on preview to see the preview, like. And if you want to change the name of it, go on setting, and I am writing here Centurion, right? Or Centurions. This is the style of it: seesaw, wobble, tumble, or spin. We have 4 options. This is rotation speed. You can fast it. Resolution, high or small, right? Now, okay. What about time? Time is wait 1 minute. If I leave our computer without touching 1 minute, then you will see the screensaver on the screen. Okay, apply and okay. Now I am going to show you the screensaver, and I am not touching my laptop 1 minute, up to 1 minute, right? After 1 minute, you will see the screensaver will automatically start on the screen with 3D text, that is Centurions. We already crossed the 20 seconds. We already crossed 25 seconds. Like this, after 1 minute, you can see the screensaver on the screen. Okay, students. Now you can see the screensaver. I think in during Zoom meeting, it is not automatically working because everyone is doing something. So the command is coming to the computer. We need standstill computer for screensaver. Now this is the option, and you can change the uh, setting also, just like CISA display setting. Now you can see the preview. Now this is the change style. Look, okay. Next is Google. Okay. Now you can see the setting. Now it is again changed. Its animation style is completely changed this time. Okay. Next is Tumble. Okay. Now see the preview. Now it is entirely changed this time. It is not only moving, it is tumbling also. Right? So these are the features in which you can set the screensaver and click on OK button. Right, students? You can change the background as well, as I told you. You can change the size of screen, size of icons, you can say. Okay. So students, these are the commands which are related with this today's lesson. And I sent the question answers of both lessons, lesson number 1 and lesson number 2. After this meeting, you will get automatically in your group, right? So now I am going to take the attendance, and if you have any kind of question after this attendance, you can ask, because I'm going to unmute you if you raise your hand. So stay in meeting. I'm taking your attendance.